Polybuzz versus Talkie versus Character.ai. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Polybuzz, Talkie, and Character.ai, C.ai. 3 platforms where you can chat with AI characters or build your own bots, so you can pick the one that fits your goals best. Let's start with Polybuzz. It's built for creators who want to monetize their own AI chatbots. If you're into making custom AIs and letting fans chat with them for a fee, Polybuzz gives you solid tools to build and earn. Great if you're a content creator or influencer looking to offer a unique experience. Now let's talk about Talkie. Talkie is newer, but already gaining traction. It lets you create and share interactive AI chats super fast, like texting with an AI friend. It feels modern, works great on mobile, and supports real-time conversations. Perfect if you want something fun and fast without getting too technical. Finally, there's Character.ai, C.ai. This one's been around longer and focuses on deep conversation. It's great if you want to build your own AI character or just chat with quirky bots online. Some say the responses feel more human and consistent. Perfect for people who love storytelling or long chats. So which one is better? If you're a creator looking to monetize chatbots, go with Polybuzz. If you're all about mobile-first interaction and smooth interface, try Talkie. And if you want deeper conversations and more personality-driven AIs, C.ai might be your move. All 3 are awesome, just built for slightly different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.